Job of the day. I'm doing bearings on this trailer. I need shackle links, and his brakes are not working. So I'm gonna tear everything down, see what's going on with it. Looks like I'm getting 9 amps, so one magnet's not working. Everything else looks like it's, reverse lights, so nothing, everything's good on that. Left turn, giving me good signal. Okay, I'll just tear through it and see what's going on. We got free spinning on the driver's side. Brakes are on, that one's not on. This front one works, so let's see what's going on. Tires and wheels are off. Shackle links are blown through. So I'm gonna change these 2 sets of shackle links. This bolt, rocker looks good still, not blown through at all. So just shackle links. There's the old shackle links. These were the rears. These were the fronts. Starting to blow out a little bit. This one was gone through. So 4 new bushings all the way through, and putting new shackle links and new bolts and nuts on. Shackle links, new bushings, new nuts and bolts are all done on this driver's side. Magnet on driver's side rear is blown out, and brake shoes are done. Magnet's okay, that's kind of going out as well, but brake shoes are definitely done. So new backing plates are going on driver's side. Hubs are still good. Both brake shoe surface and magnet surface is good. So I'm gonna put new bearings, throw new backing plates on there, wire everything up. New backing plates are on, everything's wired up. I'm gonna test and then I'll shrink wrap everything. I'm gonna pack bearings. Driver's side rear is on, cotter key is installed. Driver's side front is on, cotter key is installed. Pounding dust caps. Tires and wheels are on. Rear's free spinning, front's free spinning. Brakes are on, brakes are locked up. Perfect. And brakes are free spinning. On to the next side. All right, taking apart passenger side. I got the shackle links off. This rocker has been like this since I saw this trailer 2 years ago, and it's still totally fine. So it stays on there for right now until it breaks, but that thing's holding on for dear life. No cracks whatsoever. Shackle links are going out. That shackle link is done. Usually on these shackle links will, or the suspension system, it'll break at the weakest point. Weakest point is the shackle link. If you end up putting a thick shackle link on here, it'll break right here on the top of the equalizer. So those thick shackle links are good to prevent this, but they're bad at preventing damage. So it's half a dozen one, whatever the phrase is, 3/4 of another. But that's why shackle links break. That's the weakest point. If you put thick ones on there, it'll break at the top of the equalizer. All right, new bushings, new bolts, new nuts, and new shackle links on the passenger side. This rocker's still good, even though it has this cutout. Like I said, it's been there for 2 years and it hasn't done anything bad. Here's another view of shackle links. This one was fully blown out. This one was about to blow out. This one is ovaled out. So all shackle links changed out, all bolts and nuts changed out, and all bushings. And here is the passenger side backing plates, magnets all worn out. Shoes are chewed up a little bit, but here's the front. Magnets worn out, shoes are chewed up, so getting new stuff. The backing plates are on the passenger side. I'm packing hub and drums now. All right, hub and drums are on, new brakes are on. Cotter key on the front is on, cotter key on the rear is on. I'm gonna pound dust caps and then check the brakes. Dust caps are on, just writing the date that I did them. 7/5/24, 7/5/24. Brakes on the front are free spinning, brakes on the rear are free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up, brakes are off, free spinning. Perfect. All right, passenger side on. I'm leaving that tire off because it was flat and there's a hole in the tire on the sidewall, so he can get a new one on and he can put it on later. Front's free spinning, rear is free spinning. Brakes are on, brakes are locked up, brakes are locked up. Perfect. See what I got on left turn. Left turn is on and working. Right turn is on and working. Marker lights are on. I got a couple missing on that. Missing there. Lights on there. On there. I'll make a list. Lights on that one. So just 2 little marker lights in the center and 1 on the fender. Everything else works. And brakes have 12 amps. Everything's working. Trailer's all done. I'm torquing all the wheels that are on the trailer. All right, this trailer's done. New bearings, new seals, new grease, 4 new backing plates, all new shackles, all new bolts, all new bushings on the springs and the rocker side. Lights work. I made a list of what I need to bring for him. His rear tire is flat and has a hole in the sidewall, so I'm going to leave that off his trailer so he can go get it fixed and then put it back on. I left 8 lug nuts on that hub for him. This one's done, and I'm on to the next.